Here is how you can make your iPad not turn off on its own. Let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, there are more reasons or more things which could be going on. Like, if you mean it that when you leave your iPad without any interaction and that it goes black, then this is actually very simple to fix, because we just have to go to the settings and find the display and brightness section right there, and you need to pay attention to the auto lock feature, and that's essentially the time frame of inactivity after which the iPad is going to be locked, not really turned off, that it's going to be like, completely disabled, but after 15 minutes, in my case, if I don't touch the screen for 15 minutes, then the iPad is going to lock itself and go dark. And if you have it set to like 2 minutes, at the top right there, you can see that we can bump it up to 5, 10, 15, or even a never. Never sounds like a good option, but if you just forget about it once, it will basically keep the screen on until it runs out of the battery, so that's probably not ideal. So I like to keep it set to 15 minutes, and this has served me very well. So that's the first thing which might be going on, but outside of that, there might be something happening to the battery and hardware of the iPad, and if it actually turns off on its own, it might be due to a faulty battery. So yeah, that might be something worth checking out. Like, in some iPads, you can go to the settings and battery section and see the battery health. In the newer models, you can. In the older ones, not so much. But that's like the first thing to check out if you're like using the battery properly and so on. And if so, if you notice that there are like glitches and bugs in the software, it's still a good idea to go to the general and software update to get the latest version of whatever software you have available. So that's something I would personally do as well, but hopefully after this the iPad should not turn off on its own. So I hope this helped you out. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.